Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking you through how to actually register for my CAD pattern drafting course or any other course from my course website. Now this is one of my YouTube videos. If you just scroll down my YouTube videos, you see a link here that says register for this CAD pattern drafting course. If you click on that link, it will take you to this my course page. This is my shop. That is my e-commerce shop where I sell other digital things, but I also sell courses. So this is the course. Every other course is the same process, but for this time I'm talking particularly about this CAD pattern drafting course. But if it is any other course that you want to, take on my shop or from my course page, it's the same process. So once you get here, just go to read more and it expands for you like so. You're going to see everything about it, but please be informed that you have 90 days to access this course, and after that your login details will not function anymore. So that is what I wrote here very boldly for anybody to see, and this takes you through all that you're going to be learning in this course. And there's a video you can also watch to know everything you're going to be learning in this course. And you also see that you have close to 6 lessons in this course. So once you're sure of everything, you just click here to buy now. And once you click to buy now, you have two ways of buying. You can buy with PayPal, you can buy offline. You can click here. If you scroll up, you'll see that it will be asking you to log in to enroll for this course. So you cannot pay for the course without having an account. This is the same account that you'll be using to log in to continue your course from wherever you stopped. So you just go here to log in. When you click there, it will ask you either to log in or to register. Since you're fresh and you just want to buy that course, you need to give it an email, give it a username, give it a password, then confirm your password. Please write your password somewhere so that you always remember when you want to log in and continue your course wherever you stopped it. Give in your first name and your last name, and of course a display name that you want. So I'll quickly do that and then I'll click on register so that you see what will happen next. Once you click on register, this is where it takes you to. So you have things like your courses. If you've registered for more than one course, you have quizzes, you have your orders, which one have you paid for, you have your settings, where you can, give yourself an elevator if you want, and then you have your logout once you're done with your course, or you just want to log out and come back later. And of course, here you always see the course that you're enrolled in. You see the course in progress, how far you've gone. You see the ones you have finished and all that. Now, this is just for courses that has quizzes. For this particular course, it doesn't have any quiz. You just pay for the course and you take your course. So once you log in like that, just go back to where you see courses here on the status. So now you can pay for the course because you're in your account that you've registered. So you just go back there, the same process, and you can now buy your course. So now you can pay with PayPal if you have a PayPal account, or you can click here to make payments with cash. And once you do that and you click here, place your order, what will happen is that it will get back to us. Your order has been received and is processing. It will get back to us, and then we'll send it to your email. We'll send you the account details that you can pay. That is if you want to pay and you don't have a PayPal account. But if you have a PayPal account, once you pay for your PayPal account and you come back to that course, you see that it is open. So I'm just going to go back for those of you that have a PayPal to show you what will happen. So as you can see, because I've not paid, everything here is locked. It's locked. So now I'm going to pay with PayPal. So you see what happens, that everything will become unlocked. So let me quickly do that. Let me go to buy now, and I'm going to pay with PayPal. So I will just click place order. It will take me to put in my PayPal details. So I'm going to do that quickly and then I'll come back to you. Paid takes you back to the course. And if you scroll down, you see that all the lessons are now unlocked. They are now unlocked. And you can see here, as you continue to progress in the course, it will show you how many percentages of the course you've done. And once you're complete, it will show you 100%. So if you click on continue, it will now take you to the very first lesson where you will now start your course. And it will show you here 0 of 6 items completed. As you continue, you'll see how much that you've covered. As I said, and I'll say it once again, you have about 90 days to have access to this course. After 90 days, your login details might not work. So please make use of it. You have 90 days to complete the course. It's just 6 lessons. So create your time. Let me remove this. Create your time, go through the lessons. It's only this lesson 3, I think, that is that might take quite long. I think so, because I think you need to, especially if you don't know much about if you don't know much about pattern drafting. Let's look at lesson 2. Lesson 2. If you don't know much about SEAMLY2D, you need to go through quite a lot of videos here. That's lesson 2. That's what I wanted you to know. So you have, 90 days is enough for you to be able to cover all this. So essentially, that is all about how you can register for my courses. Any other course you want to register, it's the same method. For you to be able to, you need to first register with an email and password, pay, and then you can have access whenever you want to come back. Just come back and put in your email and password and continue wherever you stopped. So thank you so much for listening, and I do hope you buy this course.